I'm so hungry now. I need some chocolate for eating.
Hey bro, what are you doing?
Bro, I'm so hungry now.
Don't worry, I have a chocolate. We will share it.
Okay, let's share.
Hey, there was no diagonal. I can eat the chocolate.
Hey bro, what are you doing?
I'm eating chocolate, bro.
So give me half.
No, this is not for you.
No,
bro.
it's for me.
No, this is not for you.
No, it's me.
What do you do?
It's
bro?
your fault.
No, this is your fault.
No, it's your fault.
No, it's your fault. Mommy.
Sis, can I put on some makeup of yours?
Of course, my little sister. Sit there. Wow, sister, you are looking so beautiful.
Let me see. Wow, I look so beautiful. Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Sis, can I put some makeup of yours?
No.
Please, I will tell mom that you got 0 on math.
Okay, sit there. Sister, oh my god, you are looking so beautiful.
Let me see. What have you done? You made me look like a witch.
Because I just hate you.
No.
I can do it. I have to win. Yes.
Hey Ahana, what you're doing?
I'm playing Minecraft. How to play it? I cut woods and kill mobs. I didn't get it. Then come and sit with me. I'll teach you.
Okay.
Yes, I can do it. Little bit more. Yes, I will win. Yeah.
Hey Ahana, what you're playing?
It's none of your business.
Huh? It's not your phone.
But it's not your phone too.
It's my father's phone.
No, but I came first. Yes, my father picked you from the dustbin.
No, it's not true.
Then go ask mom.
I don't believe you.
Try asking mom. No, Samin.
Goal inside the first 10 minutes for Cristiano Ronaldo. It's his third.
Go, Ronaldo, go! Yes, goal!
Hey brother, can I have the TV remote?
Yes, of course. I have been watching TV for 2 hours. You can have it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ronaldo, it must be it.
Go, Ronaldo, go! Yeah, go! Hey, brother, can I have the TV remote, please? No! Why not? You have been watching TV for 2 hours. Can't you see Ronaldo is playing? The Bangladesh versus India match will happen. No, I won't give you the remote.
Oh no! What have you done?
It's all your fault. It's all your fault. No, it's your fault.
No, it's your fault.
It's his fault. No, it's your fault.
Let me see your fault.